Hey everybody, this is a cheap, easy way, affordable way to make a drink if you're on a budget under $20. First, you put lemonade in here. Depending how many people you got, it can last for a pretty long time. If it's 2 people, it'll last a couple days. If you keep it on ice. No, as long as it's a fresh lemonade, fresh squeeze. Bacardi, Jaggerberry. And then next up, I'll put with Bacardi, limon. The limon goes really good with lemonade. It's very tasty. And then this is new KOOL AID I just discovered. I think it's like a Miss Berry KOOL AID. Trying this flavor out for the first time. Decided I like it. I'll just put some lemons in there and absorb the taste a little bit. And there you have it. This Hunch punch right here cost me about $20 or less. Depending on kind of ingredients. You could use different size bottles you want to. But for me, this is me drinking it, so it lasts about a couple days. And there you go.